All right, make sure my mic's on. So this is the lettuce, some spinach, and some radishes that are growing. Spinach, it all seemed to bunch together. These are some lettuces. I'm going to have to thin this out a little. And then these are some radishes. Look at them go already. I only planted them maybe 2 weeks ago, something like that. And these are just barely going. I think these are more spinach. So we've got that one in this raised bed. Okay, I'm going to go over to my seedlings. These guys I just planted. We've got some artichokes. The ones those I just planted a couple days ago. Need to water them. Got some kale, little tiny petunias, yellow pear, tomato. San Marzanos haven't sprouted. Back here we've got some romas, beefsteak, some mammoth sugar peas. Those are ready to put in the ground already, in a grow pot. I'm going to try them in a grow pot. Some Roma tomatoes, more artichoke. None of these have sprouted yet. They need some water. And then over here, we've got some stuff ready to go. So I don't have room to start mine indoors. Hi, chicks. Hey, chicks. Brr. Hi, girls. Eat the pumpkin. Let's see, we got contender bush beans and Blue Lake bush beans. We're going to grow these in pots this year. We got some yellow straight neck, which looks like none have sprouted. Cantaloupe, yellow straight neck, and kale. Okay, so these are yellow straight neck. Only one is sprouted. And the other ones are cantaloupe. And these are golden zucchini, purple tomatillos, which have sprouted, and a white scallop bush bean. These are what we want to transplant. These golden zucchini. Look at them. They are, this one's looking a little wilted. Maybe too much sunlight now in this thing. And then what are these guys? Pickling cucumber, bell pepper, and a yellow squash. So we got some cucumbers too. Those will probably be good another day. This I just planted the other day. Needs more water. I haven't watered yet. These are little cucumbers. Look at all of them. Awesome. And then over here, looks like we got more tomatoes. Let's see. Beefsteak and yellow marigolds. Awesome. Sprouting. They need water. And the bush beans are looking good too. I think we could probably get some of those in a pot too. But at least this zucchini I want to put in my big grow bag over here. So we'll add a little soil and we will add some, stir it up. This one looking a little wilty here. It's not really, I guess it is dry. And down in that one, there's some lettuce growing. And that's a potato that just sprouted from last year. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to add one of these zucchinis to it. See if we can get this to stay. Get you close in. Stuck it in the dirt. Okay, I've got these pea seeds. Let me put those in my pocket, some snow peas. This kale could be moved to a big grow bag too. Alright. Okay. Let's just give this dirt a good mix. Like I said, it had potatoes in it last year, but they didn't really grow. I haven't had much luck with potatoes. Well, I've been trying to grow them in grow bags, so. Alright, this is a little dry, but. As I say that, I dig up a tiny potato. Look at that. Oh, there's another one. Maybe we'll leave them in there. They're teeny tiny anyways. Huh, there's a couple in here. Well, what do you know? Maybe we'll leave them. They'll grow eyes eventually. Huh, that is funny. Oh, look at that one sprouted. Oh my gosh, there is potatoes in here, chat. Let's see. Well, this one's already sprouting. I'm going to let it grow. And they're tiny, so that one's sprouting. We'll just let them grow. Alright, I'm going to leave them alone, honestly. Okay, maybe we won't put a squash in this one then. Because there's potatoes in here. Thanks, wind. Alright, I'm going to leave it. So now I just dug that one up. Okay. Those definitely have... We'll come down here to the lettuce because it's barely growing. Okay, no, I have them right. Dollar Tree has some nice new gloves. Their last ones used to be a little small, but look at these. They're gray ones. Okay, I'm going to put you guys down in this one. Bam. Hopefully you can see. And we're going to put like one zucchini here. So let's just get it in there. Get it covered. Okay. There we go. 2 yellow zucchinis. Puppy's wreaking havoc. Okay, let's go on to the other grow bag. Big grow. I think this one's 100 gallons. And those smaller ones are 50.
Yeah, this one's awesome. It's the best one. We grew more stuff in it than anything.
I think we should
add more soil to it.
Yeah. I think we have a bag of topsoil over there.
And maybe.
Over there we've got some flowers that are probably dying because they haven't been watered now. And the garlic. And nothing in the other two. It's probably good. It's not going to go that deep. Only one of these flowers is left alive. Need to water over here. Oh, there's a thing of Kellogg's soil for the grow bag. some snow peas in there. Let's record this real quick.
Hey,
Okay, we put it on this plant stand.
no.
So the puppy, look at her. Hi, I'm in the other grow bag. We'll water in these pea seeds. And then I'll just water my seedlings. Just wanted to show you all. I planted this one. These are all herbs. I planted 2 more over there. And show you the devastation. So yesterday was like a tornado, and look what happened. All my seedlings, well, a lot of them, because some are up here on this jacuzzi, but we've got a bunch that have sprouted. Got a bunch of tomatoes, and I heavily seeded those suckers. None of my bell peppers have sprouted though. Maybe too cold. This rosemary here I propagated. Just took some cutting and root hormone and stuck them in, so hopefully they grow some roots. This is chicken greens, and they're starting to sprout. So this will be a huge thing, and the chickens can munch on it. Speaking of, got a bowl of lettuce and stuff for them, but I haven't even picked it up to see how bad it is. But I planted a ton of seeds yesterday. So I just have to look on the trays and see what I don't already have planted. I think a couple were some rare flower seeds that I was trying to do, and never buy one of these cheap little greenhouses. Or if you do, hook it to something. I managed to salvage these a few. So, got a little lone potatoes growing. And down there is some lettuce and squash. And maybe a potato that sprouted. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys the devastation. Give the chicks some stuff. Hey, chill out. Well, you guys are all manic chickens. There you go. Have some squash. So that greenhouse and using it was an epic fail. Never again. And I almost bought a bigger one of those, and now I'm like, it's way too windy here in the desert. So probably not a good idea. Hey, chicks. Anyways, we have this other greenhouse right here, see it? By my she shed. So, I bought it off of Facebook Marketplace for like $60, but it doesn't have all of the parts. I'll show you in a second. So, we will have to order the little cup holder things, but look at how much stuff I planted yesterday. Not letting the wind defeat me. Look at all that. So see, it has these little things that hold your little cups, and it only had 2 of them. But I thought, you know what, the wind isn't gonna destroy this, so it's pretty sturdy. Let's just plant and put stuff in here. So I kept these and the little tray lids just so they have a tray, because it kind of dips in and I didn't want them all tipping over. Well, that crow was weird. Anyways, I planted all of this yesterday, all those other ones, and then let me show you the other side of the garden where I ordered some walking onions, Egyptian walking onions, and I ordered them from eBay. Wow, crows. I think they're fighting over food or something. Okay, I'll show you the Egyptian walking onions because they're cool. And I'm so excited to have those in my garden. I'm hoping they multiply like crazy. I also started to fill the pool back up because we did not winterize it. And it's yucky. But we'll just chlorinate the heck out of it. And it'll come back. But I need to fill it the rest of the way. It was like down to halfway. Okay. My husband did a ton of work yesterday. That's what was left of our huge pile of soil. He filled all these grow bags right there, and we planted some seedlings that we could salvage. The mulberry tree got a big, hey, don't start. The mulberry tree got a big new pot. Let me get over here. I'm keeping it in a pot because when we buy land, I'm taking this little sucker with me. I probably should put a stake in it. Now around here, everybody grows fruitless mulberries. And they make really good shade trees in the desert, but they take a lot of water. But this is a fruited mulberry. These are the raspberry and blueberry bushes I ordered, which are doing nothing so far. I'm a little worried. One has the little sprouts on it. The other two look dead. I planted 2 more squashes in here. This is a giant grow bag. Then over here, I put some flowers in those pots. Petunias and chrysanthemums. That's a tiny tomato. Got some artichokes. And those 2. And then these are cucumbers, peas, some kale in that one. Anyways, we did all this yesterday. So 11 grow bags on this table. It's our old kitchen table, farmhouse table. Anyways, let's show you the onions. So I had to close the garden gate. The puppy got into the garlic, which is right here. So those are the walking onions right there. Let me close up. See them? And what they do is the seed pods come off the top. They get heavy and fall over into the dirt. And they create new onions. That's why they call them walking. They just keep multiplying. Anyways, then that one's gonna be, if you can see it, go back a little. That one's gonna be tomatoes. This one's all garlic. The walking onions are the only thing in there so far. Maybe I'll put some radishes and carrots in with them. I'm not sure yet. That's where I did my bell peppers last year. And they did not do that great. The hornworms got them. There's a couple of little lone flowers in here. Anyways, I haven't planted my zinnias yet, so I need to go through all the seeds, see what we haven't planted, and figure out where we're at. I know we have a lot of tomatoes, so I might be ordering more grow bags. Anyways, I'm gonna put this hose back in the pool. Oh, here's the grow bags from way back. Alright. Can't wait till that has flowers in it. I think it's so cool and rustic. And I'm hoping that these guys come back. I know that one did. See if there's, like this had some growth. It all died as soon as I transplanted them. But this one is coming back. The stem's still green and there's a little bit of growth coming off it. Oh, and I see 2 little vines coming out. I'm gonna just hold on hope for those. And the mulberry, I think it's a little bit in shock from getting moved to that new pot. As you can see, I've got grow bags everywhere. Chick, chick, chicks, eat that food. Puppy's out playing. She loves to play. She's playing non-stop. Chloe kicks her butt and she loves it. Hey, get out of that dirt. Ow, ah, puppy. There's Fancy. Daisy Do. I need to hose this patio off. And this is where I was planting everything. Still got a bunch to work on. All right. So what I'm gonna do is grab all my seeds from out here, figure out what else I still want to plant, and figure out what I lost over there, and then we'll go from there. The lettuce and spinach is doing good. These keep getting little tiny seed heads already, so I've been picking them off, but they're kind of crowding out the lettuce, so I might just go ahead and harvest some today so that we can, we'll freeze it. I thought that it was spinach. I'm pretty sure it's spinach, but this one is too. They're a different variety. And then these guys are barely growing. These are some radishes. See the little red roots? They're a little close together, but I'm just gonna let them do their thing. These are radishes too, I think. Maybe, I don't know. I put a lot of stuff in there. Anyways, just thought I'd show you guys the progress so far. Thank you for watching. I haven't put anything in this giant bed here yet, so we'll figure that out. I still have a few more grow bags too, so there's always room for more stuff. Oh, and we have not planted out front yet, which is where we plant big sunflowers, the pumpkin patch, the watermelon, you know, all the melons I want to grow, and also the what am I trying to say? Pumpkins, watermelons, sunflowers, and yeah, any kind of, like, last year I did a bunch of spaghetti squash. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that this year because we had so many. I still have some. I should have dehydrated them or something. Anyways, so I'll make a video of that one too when we get that. I think Wednesday my husband's gonna rototill out there because he's off, and then we'll start the seeds. So it's getting a later start, but it's been so windy. It's either windy or raining, or my husband's working. He works like 6 days a week, so it's hard. He had Sunday off and then he'll have Wednesday off. So Wednesday we will get out front, till it up, and start some new pumpkin and squash seeds. I have a bunch of butternut squash that are already growing, and I think some cantaloupe that I started. So those can just go right in the ground. And I don't know, I might start some watermelon, but I might as well just wait if we're gonna do it Wednesday, because that's only 2 days away. Anyways, thank you for watching. I appreciate that you take time to watch us, take time out of your day, and please like and subscribe.